ukona mugunda Kenya
unginyitithania railways na prisons ri
yes
wari ni mari
Kaguo na njira ini citu cirio wari
prisons have large tracts of land.
Oh yes and they even have reserves. Why do they have reserves? They anticipate more crime.
You see, yes, they are actually pre-independence facilities,
and I imagine ideally, Gerard fati ukoro ehakanite na kindu kingi
ni fati ukoro wina ikaritie we kaundu
ati ukiura ri ni gukunga weru na ki
na cuka mweru ti andu kuma hati uruge ruthingo gwe
no ndu njera ya gitara itauni
rimwe ta icio ni cio ibatie guthamio.
Yes itauni ka
ni kukungi gwita I think even Meru itauni ka
riu afungwa na maiwa beba
makutano
mwengobo and I don't know what happened, especially Korea rural pio ni wakora ta dispensary ri na kamigundo mingi oke tanukitwo
migunda ya muingi nayo ni yareirwo.
Yes
migunda yareirwo
totoru ngithuri mena wetherere ri munda wa munanda wathire ku
kundu kuingi itha ni yangirambirwo.
Yes
the fortunate ones kuri etangirambirwo ri
yes
minanda ya run out of fashion ri
yes
minanda ekeherio gugia kwatha public facilities ta mathibitari na hotavi
yes
na mawabici ma administration
na de nasari what have you no kuri ako ingi ri andu mona munanda ni wanjia kuhua traffic ri
mogo kagia mihaka
kahora ukaigua karia bara
minanda ya wa traffic.
Yes
ona mundu uria mararigainie ri
yes
ni airigura mwena wa
maba akureithia hazo kaka guthu kimera giake
gia thara kana cangi mabagia na irio ici fast maturity.
Yes ukona kwikiro kia waru yes
uikiria
yes kana agaitithia nyanya nigetha gia gitumi gia kuiriga
to camouflage
then
encroachment.
Yes
tondu gite
mukivumba na kuvumbua munanda ni kuang'ania. You see, you have no business going there. So, egothio kahora mukaigua maratathi nginya ni macenji na witwo thorothea na
makienyurirwo kenyu kia mugunda wa munanda
na kwi minanda yae naye ikaichi
igiri.
Yes you see munanda ri was like an airport ni yae na nginya holding
na holding ya munanda yari nene
yari jarie tondu itu I think it would do around 200 to 300 cows. Yes
ugu munanda ni wari warie
umenye we na holding we na runway na runway ya munanda ni yari ndaihoku
pio
uchoke ugiere una exit uriu andagera exit of a lima. Yes uriu
like a 16 exit of a lima and holding
yaumira
na no nginya uservicewo with a public road.
Absolutely it was right by a public road. Leu kuma haria holding ng'ombe irokira ri nginya haha riu kidimbuire ichoke yumira thiire because I on the very lower side 2 acres hizo ekabili zilienda wapi?
Simekaliwa tu na watu na mpaka walitengenezewa makaratasi.
Walitengenezewa paka
stakabadhi
staka hizo na vieti vya hati
miliki ya ardhi.
Haito ndiye tawo cheti cha hati miliki
ya ardhi. Title deed.
Yes. Sasa kuna watu wana vyeti hivyo vya hati miliki ya minanda ya ng'ombe. Azere wona gatu ukamenya wega fiu. Area mirio ni akuria mundu oneka ni akurio.
Mundu ambagio guo akona ni agetha kimera kimwe ni acokia kingi ire mundu uranyura
akagia ageni akairiga atene cai naguo thutha wa guikaranga mukona rufu rwa munanda rutiri ho
na ni rwere ruria rutarorete bara.
You know, munanda was a very simple structure, especially up here. It was somehow engineered. No, it was very simple. Yes. Mukona ru mahigari darori andu kuia rimwe rimwe
na niwe wambire kuirigurira.
Yes, nigetha oni andu no wenyenye taigego
na nigetha ona inyue murak moral authority ya gu question the grabber.
He would let you eat as he eats. Yes.
Not knowing waragucetie.
Yes, you are abetting his heinous crime of encroaching on government property. Yes.
Riu riria mukaria rais mugunda munanda hatiriri.
Yes.
Wa mbere mundu wothe wakuire gikingi gia cida.
Yes.
Ifati kana
na serege. Yes.
Riu we ndungi question ingiramba.
Na niwe nyuria ihiga. No githio kimaiga hakuja wathondeka tubenji twa kwambata.
Namwe thutha wa kwaga kindu mangikua ri ni makua kagoto karia karagwo thi. Riu you have no moral authority to question the grabber.
You're just at a level of a thief. Yes.
No kuria riu we wimukire grabber no eventually warigia gukura the biggest beneficiary.
We hinda migunda ya thirikari ya iwo wega
muno.
You see, back then there was a time I think people really loved the government. Ginya no ayuga gitonga fulani ne kia heana mugunda gwi thirikari.
Andu ni marutaga kuigwa mundu ni atemire mugunda gicunji akiheana thirikari
yake posti
kana dispensary nathari.
They also give to churches. Yes. Actually the last time I think is Maina Wandere ni akire ginya for the station. Yes. And I understand think would ya lego kujira umuthi
na kiraira ni aheana eka ciake 5 kuria Githumo cia ku affordable housing.
Yes.
Kiundu kiu
well, it's rare. I don't because mati ya thirikari mugunda yeregete kuigwa
thiko ni uguikara
unless you are required by law. Tau no ande maketi mugunda eta ru tura gweta wa zuri by Adam. Do no mwako kona provision
no ginya utigie public amenities.
Yes. Unless that case
is a requirement of the law.
No do kwata we mwaka ru handu ha ku thirikari mane fora. Yes.
Indo de cia iyo cia thirikari hemi akera ari ho.
Yes.
Almost nothing was left.
Kwe the post cia borithi to cia ko kumwena gwa cifu wakora mena mugunda ginya wika hua
iyo na mari maga
na kahua kau kari na namba ni atu agona he mundu waguneka na muno ne cifu to cifu nake ni agikara cifu ni ikara na horanagio
no riu cifu sana kiro muturi waku borithi ni meguka magithiaga
riu cifu ni akona na namba ya icani
ya gwa sirikari.
Yes. Well, never mind procedurally, but you just have to go the weke. Kwe provincial
administration.
No, we should not buy a chifu. Chifu cap model. Oh, the guy ni na wari.
Muno.
Wakora ginya mugunda wa borithi. Ma ndete ginya bebe na shushu.
Gwe matuko thirikari irari na warie.
Yes.
Andu matanage appetite ya tiri.
Ni hoka riri. Na ruciaro ruri. Neruo tha ici ru tongoria-ini in some levels.
In senior levels.
Senior levels. Rwiho ruciaro rwa witemere.
Turario horo andu a maciarwo late 60s.
Yes.
Na some early 70s.
Yes.
Riu acio riu mewa iturwa-ini cia wathani kundu kuingi.
Riu acio no makora kwarirwo area minene. Riu tutu ni nzuti. Nigo cirehuraga ki?
Ta ciraici ya mugate.
One. Ukoya ciraici igire na tukoya muico
Na
no
muico,
uyu.
woe gatagati.
Ucokane.
Ona buroko ya mugate no kunyihera nyiha.
Riu kariganirwo atiriri. We uka oetwo gatagati twiri. Ungi nake aciria ti hoe oetwo ungi tu
twiri.
Riu wena kamugate ka burori.
Karenge cethi.
Mwate warehe ara no thaa ici nĩ ndaina.
Yũkĩte ritũ.
Mũkĩria raici rĩ mũcokete yakuga
nĩ tũrahũra thirikari ĩtũteithie na mũgũnda wa gwakĩra ciana handũ cingĩthomera
na harĩho
nĩ haigĩtwo
na andũ acio ndirĩ nĩkĩ metigĩra ũigua
nĩ mũrakĩmenya ũrĩa warĩho harĩ ũmwe witũ gũkũ tũtegũkĩgwetana rĩtwa etemengeire arĩugamĩirwo nĩ cia Wangũ.
angĩkorwo tũrĩte nginya riparian ya thirikari riparian yes
people don't joke.
ithuĩ gũtiarĩ nginya mĩtitũ ya thirikari at very local levels.
Yes.
Ũkĩigua kamũtitũ kau gako wega thirikari. Yes.
Kidogo kona nĩ kagethwo mĩtĩ na worĩrĩria gũtirĩ mũndũ ũrahũgia wega nũ ũragetha.
Mĩtitũ ĩho twathiaga kũrĩa ngamu ya mĩthandũkũ. Yes. It belonged to no one in particular. Yes.
Hiyo ilikuliwa.
Sasa sikuwezi kusikia ati mtu amepea serikali chapa.
Utakaa sana.
Ya sana. Ningira mũgũnda ũyũ ĩha.
Mĩgũnda nĩ yakunderire. No ya public ti gũkundera nĩ gũkunderio.
Nĩ gũkunderio. Gũthiĩ enyũrĩtio oro kahora. Because it's Thursday.
It's Thursday.
Yes. Soda. Yes. You see soda ri. No muthi no ciĩkĩrĩirwo mũno ri. Ona actually gũkũ rũgongo ri. Ũngĩigua mũndũ auga nĩ ũkũgũra soda ri. Ndarama the actual bottle.
The name has since been abused.
Yes. Nĩngũkwandĩkĩra harĩa wega nawe ũgũre kĩ?
Ũgũre soda. Is a new age term to mean
murungura.
Murungura.
Some people even camouflage alcohol it. Do get a soda kamwe.
The soda.
Yes. There was a time soda was soda. What are you saying? Kamwira woke ciuvaci cia the pep. Pet. Yes. Easy plastic. Yes. Nĩ kwarĩ ĩrĩa ya ngirathi.
Yes. Nekĩrĩ okuo even today.
By that time it was exclusively.
Tene soda yarĩ cuba ya ngirathi.
Yes. Of course rika rĩrĩa rĩnyuĩte Mirinda na Babito rĩ. Acio nĩ agatena tene. Mirinda, Babito na Pepsi ĩrĩa ya mbere. Ti ya rĩu.
Acio na ikarangu kidogo.
Na cuba rwa Mirinda no rwa ihuku. Mirinda nayo ndigũcia nĩ ma market ya rũgongo. Kĩndũ kĩa makithio rũgongo wega nĩ tondũ wa nĩkĩo kĩarĩ affordable housing rĩ. Nĩ softer. Kwaja heo famako yetagwo Bogo. Buy one get one free. Mũndũ ona imiko ũgathiĩ ũgetũndĩrĩria soda ici igĩrĩ. Ũkainĩka ũkĩamba.
Ukauga afadhali upe.
Yes. Ũkaigua nĩ ũrerũrũkwo kĩndũ gĩtarĩ majani.
Tisha ina tio cũrũ.
Yes. Ũrerũrũkwo roskoko. Yes. Soda nacio rĩ. I don't know whether that's still the case. I think it should be with a glass bottle. Gwĩ kĩndũ gĩtagwo deposit.
O deposit ya wagura duka-ini.
Yes.
Na rĩngĩ nĩũrakĩenda gũthiĩ na cuba.
Yes.
I think it's still there.
It should be there. Otherwise andũ matingĩcokagia kĩ?
Cuba.
Iria ciĩtagwo returnable. Yes. Ũngĩonire mbeca na wagĩa deposit, ndũngĩgĩire lax. Nĩ soda he gacama soda yagĩaga. Ũngĩamĩkuire ũkamĩnyuĩre kĩ?
Ũkanyuĩre mũciĩ.
Yes. Wĩikare hau njogambe. Tondũ one angĩrona gĩkĩ kĩnini kana kairĩtu kanini rĩ, kũnyuĩra soda hau mbere ya nduka rĩ, nĩ wa warranta lifestyle audit.
No. Kũnyuĩra soda nduka-inĩ nĩ kwĩĩtanĩra. No, that's like putting a billboard.
Kũu nĩ kũgũra Range Rover wĩra ibu.
Nĩ kwĩanĩrĩra itũũra igima.
Ũcoke ũnyitĩrwo geki. Ĩrĩa yakwecoretwo chef. Yathi kwea. Na nĩ mwendia wa nduka wendia soda enda uikare handu arakuona.
Yes. Akuonete.
Yes.
Ucoka na kwanja uikarire kabenji kaigagwo nja wa nduka.
Yes.
Ukinyua soda.
Ucokanie maguru uguo. Na ndio tena gutiare straw.
Gino nyitete soda chufa ya soda na moko merĩ.
Ina geki haha. Geki ke basement.
Na ti mama guo mukire nake
ati
nĩ okire gwĩcera kwa mwari wa nyina ona mu surprise.
Yes.
Umbere kambe mukanyue soda.
Tondu waragia aruta kumbe cia soda kauga ndahe ni mama
guo ũrĩkũ?
Mama ũngĩ witũ.
Ũrĩkũ ũcio?
Ti wa gũkũ.
Nĩ waku.
Mama ũrĩa ũkoragwo poster.
Nĩ mũrĩ mama guo korwo THUITA.
Ithĩ tũrĩ ũmwe. Ti mama nĩ kũikaikie tata. It would be identified after that research that you are laundering money.
You are actually storing proceeds of crime.
Yes. Rĩu soda rĩu nĩgetha weherie hau wokaga no kaniana deposit nĩgetha wĩchepie thutha wa nduka wĩkĩte
kwanja ũtũmĩtwo nduka nĩgetha ũgakamouflage. Ũtũmĩtwo nduka ũguo wĩhithanie na nĩ ũkuĩte kĩondo kana nĩ ũkuĩte harĩa ũgũgĩikia shopping ya ũgatheca nyamũ ho
wega biũ
ũgakunga.
And when deposit now hana shufa hana shopping voucher. When a shufa soda is as good as cash.
Yes.
You on the bankers check.
Ina shufa empty soda.
Yes. Na nikiona ama ogona magicagi maria magurwo soda ri. If there was someone appointed solely
command
audit chufa
kurira ndugu na maitho.
Yes.
Mundu wothe wina chufa ya soda
ama kagainyo. Yes. Waigua chufa mwakauga magai iyo yathi na nyina wa Dave.
Woga ni ya girini.
Iyo nĩ nyina.
Niwe uma nayo. Niwe uma na nĩ ngutarĩte.
Bitarimo ni ndahe andu acio.
Wabaiganjo nĩ acokirie.
Yes.
Na kilifa
na wa Susana
nĩ macokirie.
Wa Dave no weke
utanacokia.
Wĩra yare chufa orojo tana neneha. Waza oya kwa you are a youngling mundu wa kweka itio acokia kora negotiation rational chufa oyo
tanyuaga sodeo kundokia othe
wa uthaka umira manioro
tondaratera stigo utigana chufa.
You either break it or hold it.
Ino wathagwo kundokia soda.
Yes.
Icokio harĩa ithandũkũ-inĩ chufa.
Tona wado nĩ maiyaga chufa pate-inĩ ugakora after a few you see they have already created a demand. Nwe duka locally ndiakĩragia irĩti ici
ithatũ cia soda
na nĩ maiya kĩmwe koguo kũrĩa kwĩna kĩ kwĩna thoko.
There is a market where they came from.
Rĩu okaga akacokia chufa Can you communicate? Where your transaction was successful. Yes. No hamudu okanga. The casa kiasufa. That's you. Pio. When you are so daddy. Doge shaloka.
Give you.
I see a sofa.
Now I thought you are not a genuine holder.
No, you would run away before that becomes a news item.
So Komakio Hanini.
Yes. No, if your cover is blown.
Yes. Very fast.
You would have to be tactical. Mumenye chufe mwego die dukeria.
No go issue a procurement you via.
But you can't get this TMW.
Otherwise nigene mo konyito.
Yes. The walk one can the traffic. Yes.
Is abnormal. Kwanza coming from one home.
Yes.
Na Mùthuri na historia recent past gweka event.
Yes. Aciona kurigana itora ari. But me tokete weka event na refreshments.
Refreshment ekireta chai.
Mora ihoku. No, chai was not considered refreshment. There was nothing fresh about it.
Chai wa event kira waruragirio ni icani. No compensate wagi muingi wa iria.
Chai wa event andu aria mai na expertise ya kwa birika iguru ri. Wakiona njumbe muri mori ongi.
Okay, you Mùthuri history event.
Yes.
Mushoke all of a sudden in 1-2 weeks.
Atire mwacho kiasufa idano.
No. That's an alarm.
It's an alarm. It's a red alert.
The state will nab you.
Actually, my car was sad. Mwakora Mùthuri na maguta ma kuruga. Muko na chifa mukuga. Yeso kiasufa no. Hawa masi.
Wane oikomi.
Ume hau. Uthi hawa goigo. Uthi biro tuguta twake.
Twaikomi.
You will not but trade it. You are blowing your cover.
Itondo wacokia chufa nduka-ini.
Yes.
Wane oikomi. Ikomi riu ndungiare spend in the same shop.
The shopkeeper will feel robbed.
Kuona ta amoia.
Yes. Of course there was those few homes of the Marodi Maitora who had the credit score. Ya ukwate no nayo fia anywere musi.
Fia.
Onaka mwana kugana kayetu gatumiro kamuko gafurana kanyitete ta mwana tondu kena micufena
itano ya fia
ya ithe kaigwe kiamba.
Those are very few people.
Kaigwe kiguthana na kwa murata wake agakuonia
Kai eni joni
alani
now
ya baba
nywe yothe.
Yeah, when yakirifa. When yakirifa. What is yaba?
Ila no attract attention ya andu agima mwacemania.
Yes.
No bagukurio just to be sure.
Yes.
Kaire tu neke kigu kuite.
Ni soda baba.
We wawe.
Wa Samueli.
Riu we ni witagwo u.
Jititago Mirika.
Nĩ thoguo gũgũtũmĩte.
Baba.
Mũciĩ. Mwĩra nĩ ngũgera hau ngĩcoka.
Nĩ ngũmwĩra.
Nĩwona kũu nakuo nĩ aigĩrĩra bet.
Kũu nĩ atega.
Mbura ti kũngĩthiĩ kũmerĩ. Nĩ amenya he handũ hena form.
He handũ hena ĩrĩ. Na mesufe they akunuragirwo everybody in the village. No. He Mùthuri ukare story nake akanyua yothe wiroreire. Ndecio makona open yao yandikitwo Tusker. Ya silver. Yes. Aigua. Hindi na ikombe kiria kinene gia kegi kia girathi.
Kia girathi.
Yes. Kira. Lakini na mustache deru shaini. Ukona muhoyo hau akaweka. You see, you would not see anything white like that.
Where? Where?
Leo si ufanye occasion nesi ya gero deposit wega. Owezo kia si ufanye shei karani. Thogo ne uga atiri. Muka manyare ne muharu. Kia si ufanye amelaji. Ane ambi ali. Odi o emahu.
Muka manyare muhuko ndari onake.
Ne koli dim ai dim bonga points.
Yaje ko dera bonga point ko rai time na data.
Ya go la 1 GB for 1 day. Wala abate na shufa. Sia joy nesi ya gero akashiringi thate we.
Sia joy cia gora ukira soda.
Yes.
Na cio no igwa ti andu othe mehokagirwo.
Apana. Shufa idhano no ani 1 pepte. Neiko uraga to idono coke ke.
Ni ogwika shopping.
Yes. Pending his next drinking episode. Well, shufa na vocha. Akwiki mati.
Yes. You redeem. Instant.
Yes. Na kwere mwe mundu wa duka ni undu wa andu kwa ucokia shufa for their reasons ni kwa rutago kebo ni aragura ke
shufa
leo shufa ciothe iria iko ihithitwo matura cia kurukagira
andu aria mehithiire indo nyumba.
Yes.
Maholdete
shufa citu tware kwa waitwi kana ni aragura
nene atumanite kembinyithia kanitha
ya gera stock. You see, until the other day, things were remaining the same for a long time.
Until internet came.
Yes, until technology. Technology ni atu modu matengere muno. Tatono gero na rim. Since the as a jadi na fazihi maudu maikara mari undu mwe
ihinda iraya
ginya goka kindu ta colonialism. The colonialism ni yarehe some we even have some of the infrastructural projects no ihuthika aciarehirwo no
ni mukoroni
ni mubebero. Yes. Mubebero nake agicenjia kiarahura maundu maiganona
mauga nio marehire civilization.
Ucoka mauga we were living in the jungle in the dark.
And the dark continent and the dark people.
Never mind, we were peaceful because we didn't know better.
And we had high morals.
We were okay. Wahana hoi na hoi san. Na gaho our gods must be
crazy.
Yes. Loko toke na mundu kagothi.
Ona tutingiokira Nairobi. Kugira kina tungiokire nake. No ume me nginya Nairobi maguru.
Ogiuma Kiambu gathie murango kagothomegwe. Wacoka ihenya. Things never used to change. Na mukoni na kiathi maundu maikara me very much the same. Ni technology katia.
Iroka.
Anjo no giathikirie mohoro tene tugikura ithu na tene ocio even leadership. Na ngwĩciria rĩu matigari ma those ages no kaguta.
Museveni.
Yes.
He has been around for decades.
He maretwa twaigua ũtongoria-inĩ twĩihĩ tũgĩkũra wa maiguire nginya ũkĩrĩkia thukuru
nyoke gimara.
Yes. And the millennials will understand.
Yes.
Especially the millennials. Aya marika maya maitu he maretwa aiguaga mohoro make meto atia
make mabũrũri.
Yes. Jawa mĩhĩrĩgo no mwaka ũngĩaiguire
Rais Saddam Hussein
wa Iraq.
wa Iraq
ameshambulia vikali wanamgambo waliopanuia kuteka mji wa Kabul.
Eyo neto aiguagire. The crisis of Iraq.
The leadership was always the same.
Waziri mkuu wa Ethiopia Isaias Afwerki Rais Bingu wa Mudharika.
Bingu wa Mudharika ni wako ni Malawi.
Ni wali rogwe Malawi.
Oh ni Malawi. Bingu wa Mudharika nake ni ahurukangire wathani-ini.
Na bara itathiraga.
Waasi wa Tupac Amaru.
Na wanamgambo.
Kiongozi wa Liberia Charles Taylor.
That was another common figure.
He was another tyrant. And a warlord.
Charles Taylor.
Leo mundu ya waiguana na tuiguaga.
Rais Yoweri Kaguta Museveni.
He has withstood storms and changes.
After a boat and Idi Amin Dada. Mareto waigu kamenya. You don't even think that those countries ever even want to elect anyone else.
Muammar Gaddafi.
Kanali Muammar Gaddafi. Rais wa Afrika Kusini de Klerk.
Na hali noge wa Misiri.
Eta goriri. Not Yitzhak Rabin.
There was another one. Na raushokire kwenye rorori.
Still the same. Was here the other day. Tika Yasser Arafat.
Yasser Arafat
ya Palestine.
Ujiari wa Palestine.
Eto prime minister who.
There was an Egyptian leader who was there for very long time.
Waziri mkuu wa Misri. There was Yitzhak Rabin, the one who was assassinated. Oishoka oyokari oyu wega kurikia. Mareto waiguaga.
Kwingineko ni kwamba Mushuda Abiola.
Aita iro kwa Hosni Mubarak.
Hosni Mubarak. Arashokire kwenye na Arab Spring. I think around 2011.
Yes. Mareto twaigua, you would not even think. You would think those people own those countries.
Ta Gaddafi na akere.
Kanali Muammar Gaddafi. Mobutu Sese Seko.
Another one. And they were larger than life.
Kwingineko Mobutu Sese Seko, and I understand they owned the country literally. They had tracts of the best things in those countries.
Mobutu Sese Seko ithu acenjetie ritwa ria Congo kamita Zaire.
You know, I made it Zaire. It was Congo Brazzaville, then it became Zaire, then it came back to
DRC.
Yes. Kwingineko ni kwamba Anwar Sadat wa Misri. No, there were names. You would hear them over and over again.
Rais George Bush.
Rais George Bush wa Marekani amekashifu vikali mashambulizi katika nchi ya Iraq. Haya ni kwa mujibu.
And there was another prime minister in the UK.
Waziri mkuu wa Uingereza Margaret Thatcher.
Wanakuwa ni kwa leo kaondoka.
Niko kwa mabingu wa Mudharika.
And there was the one from Nigeria. What was his name?
Nani alikuwa Nigeria?
The one that was an army person.
Before Olusegun Obasanjo.
Before Olusegun. Sani Abacha. Sani Abacha. No, there were those days things used to remain the same.
No waigua mutongoria wa kundu kumwe ihinda iraya muno. Nginya ukarigwo kundu kuu no guthuranagwo.
You would not even imagine tondu na ithwe twakirona mwaikarangite.
Na guku ndi twathomerwo Nyayo.
Nyayo ne twathomerwo wega. Na no twathomerwo ri ongeweta oneta nyau. You still there?
Netanyahu. Yes, ucio ari okuo.
Rais wa Zimbabwe Robert Mugabe. So those things you never used to change.
Ndĩreciria mabũrũri maingĩ macenjia after the year 2000.
Yes.
Hau no manjĩrĩria gũcenjeria atongoria.
Oh yes. Big Papa Pumpin wakanaya anauga Waislamu wenye itikadi kali wamepiga makombora mjini Beirut. Tuga waiwano isaimu hey kaiwoi. Kugwatigara. Muthenya mahuragwo. Fidel Castro wa Cuba.
It was another one.
Another one. They were very good friends with Nelson Mandela. Yes, Tata Madiba. Yes.
Kundi vya waasi.
Yes.
Chechnya.
Wanamgambo wa Hezbollah wameuteka nyara mji mkuu.
Na ndio ni kwari bara.
But no, coups. It was the era of coups. Do you want to have President Wagarorio thirikari emusemoni wa OAU? Kiroto asoke. Ni kwanyitana dio thiete.
Maundu ni magicenjetie.
It's Hezbollah. No, people remember these people a lot.
Hezbollah.
Hosni Mubarak, thank you Akavi. Ati kwingineko ni kwamba Bujumbura. No, news used to sound like a movie. Vita vikali vimetiba. Haya ni baada ya waasi wa Hezbollah kuteka nyara mji mkuu. Kwa mujibu wa katibu mkuu wa Umoja wa Mataifa. There was a very popular Secretary General of the UN. I think Ban Ki-moon.
Ban Ki-moon is the one. It's not the former Ghanaian.
No, not Kofi
Annan.
There was another one. Let me check. That was the one. That before Kofi Annan. Yes. It was I'm just getting that here. Boutros Ghali. That was the guy. Yes. Katibu mkuu wa Umoja wa Kimataifa Boutros Ghali ameshtumu vikali vita vilivyochipuka mji mkuu wa Hezbollah Bosnia. Haya. Kwaje tuigwa Bosnia Herzegovina. Kodukutu tuaje ndo Maria bara. Vita vikuu vimebiuka mjini wa Gaza. Na koduku bare wale ateni.
Ikara ko ne gatene.
Kara ne gatene.
Ginyo muthu gutire kwahorera.
Ona kurara fima uago ko gutikura ro ko hana Bosnia. Herzegovina.
Gaza.
Na Gaza.